Hi everyone, my name is Jasper Silusa. We all know that technology is important to us and plays a huge role of daily lives, right? But what if I told you the truth that we might be a bit addicted to technology? I understand how essential it is, but just take a look around. You'll see that everyone is busy staring at their screens, whatever it's a smartphone, tablet, or computer. It's like we all in digital days. It's to see to how much we've changed with the advancement of technology. Just think about it. The past was inherently different. Technology wasn't our main source of happiness or our top priority. We used to enjoy life without constantly checking our device. Sure, technology makes our lives easier and provides way to escape reality, but all what cost. Students have shown that the average person spends over 6 hours to 7 hours a day on screens. Can you believe that? That nearly and whole day wasted just staring at screen.